Alrighty, YouTube, we got the old Chevy Duramax, and we got the F1 Nicey out there, and we're just going to start this up and drive them together and show them what it does. And this is why we don't buy Chevys, I guess. I knew I shouldn't have got rid of the Raptor. Oh wait, the Raptor's out front. Sorry, we just buy more trucks here. We don't get rid of them.
This is a classic Chevy thing to do, though, not to start.
All right, I think maybe the battery's too low in voltage to kick anything, so let me go get the jump pack. If not, it's going to the junkyard. If you guys want to buy it for $500, it's got no body rust, no frame rust. Okay, 501, it's yours.
Lights off.
Go ahead, try it. Alrighty, 503 and it's yours. Oh, maybe it wasn't the battery. Let's check these fuses. Holy Jesus, there's the problem.
What?
We got all kinds of corrosion. Turn on the light.
And those are probably... How was this on here?
Yep. That sort like this. So those are blower.
No, that's just a paper sticker.
Ignition.
It's not corrosion.
That's just a sticker.
Yeah.
Oh, I'm thinking we're gonna have a few. Try this and next ignition. This one. No, but it's turning over, so I don't think it's the ignition.
Do you see a fuel pump one on there?
Sorry guys, the neighbors are being neighbors. Crank 10 amp, that's...
Cranks. Horn. We want fuel pump.
F-pump?
Yeah, 80.
That's the relay. Alright YouTube, I got a bloody nose because this thing's smoking so much.
I don't know if you guys can see how much that thing's smoking.